Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to make a very fast Minecraft Bukkit server for the newest version of Minecraft. Okay, first what we have to do is to go to this site. Link is in the description, of course. Okay, once I'm already on the site, so now we have to use right link. So for example, I will use, I don't know, maybe paintball or free build, hardcore, survival, or survival games. It depends on you, what is for you the best. I'll post here of course Skyblock in the future, and survival games called MineZ. It will be in the future, of course, after a video, but now I have to work hard. Okay, so this is a configured Minecraft Bukkit server, and this is very cool. It's configured by myself, so just download and run it, basically it. But okay, I will show you what you will have to do, but because it's basically it's for Polish people, but you know, it's very easy tricks to make it English. It's very easy. Okay, so what we have to do is to click here, paintball or free build. It depends on your what you want to do, what type you want to create. So I would choose, for example, paintball. I'll click left click or something, or scroll click, mid click. Okay, so we have to wait 5 seconds, of course. I do decide under fly because I've made it, so I want to, yeah. Okay, so we are now on the drive Google, and we have to click here. It will be in English, should be file, and just here you have to click download, or combination of keys Control plus S. Here you have what you can click on the site to download. Okay, click download, and I have to just wait a few seconds. This is very good site to upload and download things like server files and other. Okay, I want to choose where I can download this. I would choose this on the desktop. For me is the easiest way to store there everything. Okay, so we have to wait a few seconds, and we will be able to create our own server. Okay, it's quite fast. Okay, once we've done that, we can just off, and what is it? Okay, I have here, we have to unpack this archive, so I will use 7-zip or WinRAR. I will use 7-zip because it's free and you can download this if you don't have any software to unpack this zip file. Okay, we can use also Windows software. Okay, we can open or just unpack. I will unpack this zip file. Okay, as we can see, we have here a folder, and we can just click left click and again left click, and as we can see, we have files where we can start our Craft Bukkit server, and we have plugins with configured plugins. Everything is configured, everything is prepared, permissions, essential, everything. This is very cool. Okay, so now you can just click. You have to use a proper file, for example, Universal Start, or for Windows 32-bit Java 6 or Java 7. But in paintball you have to use Java 7. So you have to update your Java if you're using paintball, because this plugin requires a Java 7. So I will use Universal Start, and as you can see, it this package, this server files are created by me, by Grigor 2047. Okay, as we can see, it's going to not download. It's going to create our spawn area. I mean, word. It will take time, so just we have to wait 1 minute. I think it will be enough. I will keep this because I want to do it fast, so I will copy word from this file folder, because I don't want to wait, because you know I don't want to take it so long, so I just copy paste this, yeah, overwrite, and just again I will use universal start because it's very universal and it should work on the most servers, most computer. Yeah, every start from here is designed for Windows. So if you want to run it on Linux or Mac, you have to create your own file. Okay, as we can see, everything is load correct, and now we can just stop. And I will show you what you have to do, because you're not Polish person. Of course, if this video will have huge views, I will create for English people, I mean from abroad, people from abroad, server files for Bukkit, and then will be just for you. No, for Polish people. Polish people have their own server files, and you will have your own server files. Okay, so now we have to go to plugins, and we have to find something like essentials and check config, because there it's it might be use language to Polish, but I'm not sure if it's not okay. It's already in the comment, so okay, we don't have to worry about it. But to make it more English universal, I mean, you will have to change permission X, I mean name of groups. So where is it? So you have to go to permission X, go to permission.yaml, and there you have head admin. You have also gracz. As you can see, here is a gracz in Polish. So in English it's a member or player. You can translate it as you want. Yeah. So everywhere where is a gracz in Polish, you have to change it to, for example, I don't know, you can write everywhere where is gracz. You don't have to. You can write just I don't know, maybe member or something like this. Here member, here also instead of gracz you can write member everywhere, but be careful, don't use tab member, because it may break your permissions. Okay, member. Okay, so I think I've done also here, because this is my nick in a game. I can also give me member. Okay, once we've done it, we can just save and exit. I used Notepad++ for editing as a text editor, because it's a very cool software for this. Okay, I think a little bit what else we can do here. I think is enough. Okay, if you don't know what is asset rank is actually plugin for giving time by a certain time permissions to another group. I mean, so for example, a member can have a VIP, you know what I mean. But it's just for your information. You don't have to do anything with this if you don't want. don't want to. Okay, so what about plugin? What about plugin paintball? What you have to know, it's the paintball plugin. It's called Pure War, and also this link is in description. If you choose a paintball, of course, type of server, yeah, paintball. So as you can see here we have a paintball, and we can click commands and permissions, and we will see all permissions and paintball, which all permissions and commands which we can use. So here is for user, for players, for admin, and for creating arena, just for admins, of course. Here's permissions for every group of commands. Okay, so that's it. You can download whatever you want. Okay, one thing what you have to change, it's here. It's X-out authorization. This plugin, it's login plugin, and as you can see we have a messages.yaml, just messages. So as you can see it's in Polish, and I know that Polish is not your native language. English is a basically native languages, but don't care about it. Just delete messages.yaml, and once you've done it, you can just run again a server, and if there will be no problems, you can just play on it. This is the easiest version because you have configured all, just configured everything what you need to make this type of plugin. Of course, you can download anything you want. Yeah, this is paintball type of server bucket. So as you can see, we have paintball free build with my plugin, updated plugin hardcore. This is timing ban. I mean, in time you have ban if you would die. This hardcore. This is very cool plugin. I was using it a lot in the past. Okay, and survival, of course, you know, and survival games, you of course, I think also know. Everything is here configured, so you can just download and do what I've done here in just few folders. You can, if you want, you can do your own configuration in this plugin, in this plugins, in this server files for Minecraft. I have here also modded version of server, but it's just for 1.2.5. Yeah, but you can use whatever version you want. Okay, so I think in this video is everything. If you want to ask me about anything, if you have any problem, just comment below and I will just answer you. So I hope also that someone will be watching it, so I'll be able to create for your special server files in English, you know. I think, and then it will be very cool because you will have also your own server bucket server, yeah. So that's it. So if you want, you can subscribe me because I will post information about new version of Minecraft bucket server. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching and bye.